welcome to the bird's nest. Today's pretty exciting for me because I'm going to have to turn this pig around. I have to take this front end off. I got to change them door hinges. I have to weld out a couple of broken bolts, fix a few things up, and because of the flared fenders and stuff, the whole front end's one piece, and the valance and whatnot. So I'm just gonna turn it around, jack it up, take the wheels off it, undo the whole clip, and just slide it as far forward as I need be so I can take the doors off, change the hinges. Once the hinges are changed, I think I'm really on the road to putting this turd back together. I don't know why I called it a turd. I love this car. It's a bad car. It's a nice car. It's going to be a lot of fun. Anyway, thanks for letting me drop that in on you. That's that. Let's get busy. I'm going to drive this thing. I'm going to make a little video too. You'll see. All right. Hi. Welcome to the bird's nest. Today, I'm going to drive this car. Check this out. Let me show you some stuff. The fuel line to the filter to a makeshift bracket, which is bolted and then taped for safety. And then which is strapped, which makes it race car ready, which then comes down and goes to the Holly electric fuel pump, which then goes into the fuel cell. We are race ready. We have everything, what do you call it? Zip tied together, baby. We're gonna start this dude up, and I gotta move it around. I gotta turn it around. Still gotta put a battery in it. Gotta go get the battery. Get the battery in the truck, and go fire it up. Fire this bug up. Turn it around. Clean the garage. Stuff like that. Get ready to get ready. That's what I gotta do, and that's where I'm at right now. Okay. Got the battery in. We're all hooked up. This will all get changed. I'm not gonna have two red wires forever and dumb shit like that. There's just a bunch of dumb shit going on. Got the fuel pump hooked up. Got her over there like that. She's all hooked up like that. It's there we go. We'll walk around the car. Sorry. So we'll reach in here. Turn that on. Leaks. No leaks. She's ready to rock. She's ready to roll. Start this bad dude up. Yeah, we'll get ready. Get ready. Hey, I want to say hi to my kids. I make this stuff for you guys so you can see what I'm doing. And today I'm going to drive this car. I get to move it around. It's fun and exciting for me. Check this out. Look at what I did. I did stuff. Had to do stuff to make it go. I had a problem there with my video. So over here, got a fuel filter hooked up to a steel line, a makeshift bracket right there. It's bolted, and then it's just taped for safety, no big deal. And then it's mounted over there, and then I got the other video show you the inside of the dash. It's funny. And so anyway, this guy should start up and be able to move around. I gotta turn it around. I have to turn it around because I want to fix that door hinge. I have to take this whole front clip off. Because of the flares and all of the underneath work, the support, the air dam, the whole bit, I have to take it off all in one piece. And so I'm going to turn it around for that. And then I can take that off, and then I can fix the door hinges, which after that I'm golden. I can finally start putting the car back. Got to remove a couple of broken bolts. Got some broken bolts down here on the lower part of the fender and stuff. and it's just going to be easier to weld them out without the fenders in the way and all that sort of crap. And then take care of those stupid little problems, and shit, I'm ready to order the roll cage. Start putting the roll cage in. Yes, sir. 10-4. All right. All right. Here we go. Barbara. Yeah. Hey, shit, that was scary. The last time I drove it, the brakes worked fine. Brakes didn't work so good. Yeah. There it is. Pulled it out that far. Brakes didn't work. Got a new set of disc brakes right there off a 69 Z28. That's right. Some 69 Z28 brakes, disc brakes right there. Got the rest of the shit put on too. You know, the booster. It's already got power brakes, but you know, the right stuff. Got the right stuff. Put the right stuff on. Look at that. All right, let me get to work. I gotta clean this garage up.